Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib Hassan and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this business card easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set up a page. To do it, we have to click on here. Then we have to select instance from here. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to refresh 3.5. Then we have to click on this box. Then we have to refresh 2. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on 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 here. Then select the move tool from here. Then rotate this layer. Then drag this layer in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then double click on here. Then select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. 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 Then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color. Then select the move tool and drag this under this layer. Then select these layers. Then increase the size of these layers. Then press and hold the shift key. Then increase the size again. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select the pen tool from it. Then you have to click on here. 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 Then click on the fill. Then you have to select this color from here. Then select this and drag this under these layers. Then select the pen tool from here again. Then click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here, 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 and here. Then select the move tool from here. Then drag this under these layers. Then you have to select this layer. Then double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then you have to select this. Then you have to double click on here. Then select the black color again. Then click on the OK. Then select this. Then you have to click on the anchor point. Then right click on state. Then click on the destock. Then you have to select this layer. Then double click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then you have to click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then double click on here. Then you have to select this color from here. Then you have to select this color. Then you have to click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here. Then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to rotate the color from here. Then click on the OK again. Then select these layers. Then drag these layers in here. Then you have to select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and here. Then select this. Then you have to select this layer again. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from this layer. Then you have to rotate this layer. Then select this. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the outer glow. Then you have to click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then right click on this layer. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the outer glow again. Then click on the OK. After that, you have to include the icons and write a text in here. I am already write a text, so I am pasting the text in here. After that, you have to write this text in here. Then you have to set this text in here. After that, you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After open the logo, you have to right click on here. Then click on the blending option. Then click on the drop shadow. Then click on here. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to decrease the opacity of this layer. Then click on the OK. Then select these layers. Then press and hold Alt key. Then take a copy from these layers. And double click on here. Then write your company name in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then double click on here. Then write your company category in here. Then select this text. Then click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to set this business card in a mockup. So I am opening a mockup from a PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then you have to select all that from here, then you have to click on the backspace, then you have to go back to the project, then unlock all that from here, then select all that from here, then drag these layers in here, then set this business card in here. After set the business card, you have to press Ctrl+H button from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.